Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I'm looking a little rough. But that's because I'm feeling a little rough. But besides that, I wanted to give you an insight on, those unfinished projects that we as DIYer have. Those, I call those my project graveyard. Because those are projects that either gave me such a pain that I decided to put it on the side and never look back, or projects that I said that I was going to return. I said that I was going to put other project in there because it was really difficult, and then for me to get back to it, and I never did. I'm going to be totally transparent with the years that these projects have been hanging out, and as a way of making myself accountable, and as well and also deciding what I'm going to do with it, if I'm going to finish it or I'm going to let it go. This is so confronting because it's like looking your failures in the eyes, be like, okay. So I got this dress right here. This is a Burda dress. The only thing that is missing or I didn't finish was the neck piece. Was it a wrap piece or a neck piece or a neckline? I'm going to put it in the screen. I'm going to put the original pattern also in the screen so you guys can check it out. But I mean, everything about this dress was cute. I have the zipper in here. The fabric is cute. I don't know why I didn't finish it. It probably just annoyed me. And I was like, yeah, I'll get back to it. Never did. This is one, because it's only this part that I need to fix and the sleeve that I need to finish. I feel like there is no excuse. I should be able to put an end to this one. There are a lot of projects, so I'm trying to speed through, but everyone has a story, even these dresses. This dress right here just needs some sleeves, but there was a negative story attached to this dress in terms of a negative experience with knit mode, and so that kind of discouraged me, or yeah, to finish the dress. I see that I tried some, is it line pattern matching? Which is cute, which is really cute because I even did it on the skirt. So I managed in the front, in the back a little less, but nevertheless it has a zipper in it. I try to do the lining a little different so that underneath it's just like this, but in the middle it comes together. I definitely need to use my overlocker for this one. Yeah, I gotta get over the story of what happened with these sleeves and just finish the sleeves. I think I still have fabric for this, so I will be able to do so. This was a Bon Voyage dress, which was Pinterest inspired. Cute fit though. I remember I did try it on and it was cute. The emotion is real. This dress is also a knit mode dress. Oh, there's so many things wrong with this dress. This dress needs a overhaul. I mean, I'm seeing that the seams aren't really lining up, and it definitely can use some understitching. The V is just bulky. Oh, what was I thinking? I think this project has to be at least 4 years in the making. I feel like, and especially because I do have an overlap with the seams, are just like, ugh. It's just, what is this? I mean, one wash in the washing machine, it's gone. So I feel like this dress might be one that I can salvage by just taking it apart, putting it under the overlocker, and starting all over again. Why doesn't this thing have a zipper though? That's so weird. How are you supposed to get... I digress. Oh my. If I have a picture of this dress, I'll put it in there. What was wrong with this dress? The top was too wide. Oh, I had loved this dress. This was a masterpiece. But I think I was sewing for a few months when I tried this. You know, I wonder why I still have this. But that's because I had really, really liked this pattern. I think that's why I still like it. And I tried because I was like, why are these apart? The skirt and the top. But, oh yeah. I'm not sure what I'll do though. Why did I do a... Oh, this fabric isn't stretch. I'm seeing that I did how I call that? I used a twin needle for this, but this is a Baptist fabric, like cotton. It doesn't have any stretch. I don't know why I did that. You live and you learn. Wow, this has to be a minimum of 5 years. Well, I still love it, if that counts. Oh my. I don't know why I didn't finish this one. I probably didn't like the fabric anymore. I think that's what it is. Okay, so this skirt was from Burda. It's from Burda. It's a Burda pattern. Ah, I know why I don't like it. Or why I was like, because I think I had to do it the other way around. This is pleather and this is punto. And because you have some folds in the pleather and the folds didn't really come out like I thought they were. That's because it's pleather. It's not supposed to have like all these folds and stuff. That's why I was like, I don't like it no more. But I mean, it is a cute skirt though. It has a little split in the back. Why didn't I finish this? Come on, I was far along. I should have finished this. I think I still should finish this. This is just wrong. I should finish this. Okay, besides the fact that I just convinced myself to finish this. This is almost done though. It has the seam and the waistband and then it's done. I have to see where the waistband is though, because I'm not seeing it in the box. The things we decide. Okay, what is this? Okay, so this is a top from Burda. You will see a lot of Burda stuff because in the beginning I was totally, well, I learned to sew with Burda. So Burda is always going to have a special place in my heart. But Burda also can be a little, like their sewing description is all over the place. I don't know, if you are a Burda, if you are, I'm thinking about somebody that I know that is a Burda fan. I mean, we feel the same way. It's like, it's a love and not so love relationship with Burda. And it's all because of the sewing pattern. They are very trendy. They are trendy. And if you have the workshops from Burda, you know, with some of the pieces that they put the workshop in, it's good. It's good. I don't know why, like in the back, like where all the patterns are, the sewing description is so trash at times. This was a project that I started and it was way too advanced when I started it. It was way too advanced. And I think the only thing that this thing needs is I just have to hem the sleeves and make sure that I can close this. Okay, so if you have it like this, then it just needs some hook and eyes, I think, to close it. I think it was a crop also. Well, might not be at the age to wear a crop anymore, but oh well. I think this is so long ago. The fabric is cute. I know why I kept it. And the sewing isn't bad either. Oh, I like the sewing, by the way. Well, not everywhere, but I was just looking at this when I said it. I was like, well, you could have done a better job there. But other than that, well, it's not bad. I mean, at that time, it wasn't bad for that time. Right now, I would have made different choices, but it's definitely not bad. By the way, this fabric might be awesome for me to make a bra out of it. If this doesn't work out. I'm sorry. I'm trying to contain myself. I don't know. This is iffy. I don't know if I'll try to finish. Oh, I even found the belt. Ain't that something? It's from the Bon Voyage dress. This is the sleeve. Okay, so the sleeves are not bad. This is the sleeve from the Knip Mode dress. Oh, I don't like this. Okay, I'll probably have to, yeah, I'll definitely have to take this apart. Oh, I was still hanging on to hope with this. Okay, yeah. Gotta figure something out. I mean, the dress is complete. I don't know if I'm going to. I'm seeing that I think I have to say goodbye. It even has some residue or something on it. Oh no, that can wash off. Have some spots on it of unknown substance. I don't know. Oh, this hurts my heart. This really hurts my heart. But sometimes a project can be so good, but I'm going to say goodbye to this. It has been too long. The same for this one. This was a BURDASTYLE dress, and I think I almost had it complete. I just had to put in the zipper, but it turned out that the dress was too small, and the fabric didn't have much give. It wasn't stretchy. So I kept it and kept it and kept it, and you know what? It's time. It's time to let it go. I found something else. Okay, so this is a Mimi G by Simplicity by Mimi G. It's a Mimi G pattern. It was a pencil skirt. Well, it is a pencil skirt. But I think my sizing wasn't good. Yeah, I chose the wrong sizing. And so this is huge. I'll wrap this thing twice around me. But I like the color blocking that I did on it. I feel like I should make an effort to finish this. Because I have this piece which is, I think this is the two back options. I think you had a split back option and a just simple back option. I should definitely make an effort. And it's because it's Mimi G. I should. I'm exhausted, people. I'm exhausted, and I still have some more things. Well, these are known. What is this? Oh, this is a sleeve. Yeah. Okay, well, so there's hope because I can still, yeah, that's the sleeve with the machete. Okay. Oh yeah, I could definitely finish that. I could finish the skirt. I found the waistband. This is so helpless. Okay, but I still have fabric to finish my Bon Voyage dress, so that's good. What is this? Oh, this looks like a... I thought that was complete. Don't tell nobody. Whoa. I think this was the very first pants that I wanted to make. Whoa. This is old. This is old. Wow. It doesn't even have a waistband. This is old. Probably won't even fit. Which pattern is this? I need to figure out which pattern this is. I don't know. Okay, well, oh, look at the other sleeve. I don't think I could do anything with these things, but okay. Well, my sewing teacher taught me to never throw fabric away until you're completely done. So that's why I think these things are still here. Oh, this is the inside of the... This is the inside of the dress that I just said I wasn't going to make. You're going to stay, but your friends are leaving. Okay, so I still have some brown fabric. Why do I have so many sleeves now? Okay, so this is an entire project that never saw the light of day. I think it was supposed to be a shirt. Yeah, these are supposed to be the buttonholes. Which one is it? Oh, maybe I didn't start it because it had a machete thingy and I wasn't that far. Oh, but this should be fun. I should definitely give this one a try. Oh, look at the waistband. Is it the waistband? Yeah, I found the waistband. I reached my last project, which is in this box, and that is a floating dress. And this one is by So Simple. But it's a floating bodice dress. I really like the fabric though. Whoa. Oh, it definitely needs a... Oh, it needs an overlocker. The dress is falling apart, people. Oh, I tried. No. I think it seems like I started to do something. Oh, look at this. That is beautiful. Okay, well, you're staying. Don't know when I'm going to get to you, being that I have so many projects. Okay, so let's count how many of these projects I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the reality. That is true transparency, because that's what I'm dealing with. And like I said, it would have been overwhelming to get the chest here also. So I got some work to do. With this video, I just wanted to show you that it isn't all roses, you know. It's hard work. So I am not coming on here to pretend anything. I'm just living my truth. And like I always mention, there's no shame in my game. So there are going to be projects that are going to turn out great. And there are going to be projects that will turn out trash. And that is just the reality of things. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great, great day. Bye.